Number 2.
Sir. Igwe.
What is your name?
Agbede.
Huh?
Agbede.
Okay. What is your address?
Number 3, Salvation Street, Isheri, Osun, Lagos.
Okay. What is your phone number?
070-1736-9909.
Okay. How old are you?
37 years old, sir.
37. Which tribe are you?
Yoruba.
Yoruba. Which state?
Ondo State.
Ondo State. Are you pregnant?
Yes, sir.
How many months pregnant?
7 months.
7 months.
Yes, sir.
So you enter prison with pregnancy.
Yes, sir.
Who pregnanted you?
My complainer, sir.
Your complainant
Yes, sir.
pregnanted you.
Yes, sir.
After he pregnanted you, he now took you to police.
Yes, sir.
And sent you to prison.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which allegation he give you?
That I stole his money.
You stole his money.
Yes.
So that money he alleged that you stole. How much?
He said 13 million naira.
13 million naira.
Yes.
That 13 million naira, did he give you 13 million?
No, sir.
Which money he was claiming?
He was claiming that he gave me money to buy property for him.
That he gave you money?
Yes,
to buy property
for him.
Did he give you money to buy property?
No, sir.
Okay. Is it which money he gave to you? It's for what?
He gave me money to rent an apartment and to start up business.
Okay.
Yes.
As his girlfriend.
Yes, sir.
So later now he now told you
Yes,
to
sir.
bring the whole money back.
Yes.
Because I want Lagos State and even Nigeria government to look into this particular matter. She was saying that somebody, her boyfriend gave her money to rent house and to take care of herself. Then later on, the boyfriend, because he saw the boyfriend with another girl, and he was very, very annoyed. He challenged him. For that reason, the boy now put an allegation that he gave him 13 million naira, had 13 million naira, and he was sent to prison with pregnancy. But today, he was released. Which prison he come out from?
Female prison, Kirikiri.
At where?
Lagos.
Okay. Tell the whole world what happened today.
I was in my cell, in prison, when our record order came to call me that I am released today. I was surprised that who released me. So when I came out, I now saw that it was Eze Igbo King that came to release me. So I told him, sir.
No problem. We will see the end of your matter.
Yes.
We are not saying that if you know that thing, that take it up, because I did not see any offense that you committed. So I will make sure that I put your complainant to book, so that the whole world will know that Ezomi Wuku can give people justice. Thank you very much.